I'm going to speak in English. Yes, the medicine for the culture. Right? Doctoring the culture is very, very important. Just having all the cultural, the qualified people in their homes won't help. You've got to get them together, get them to practice and perform. So I have an ambition that I have not told before to a public audience. I'm going to mention it today. I'm going to set up an amphitheater for single drama. In the next property, we have a space there reserved for it. I was just short of money. It's going to be another, within the next 2 to 3 years, it's going to be set up. And thereafter, all your practices can be done in real theater surroundings, soundproofed, and very well done so that you can devote your time, energy. We'll have all the necessary equipment on the site. We'll have the stages, we'll have the lighting, sound, everything set up to be borrowed by the performers. So you don't have to buy or bring anything. You're going to have everything provided. So that's going to be the medicine for the culture. Okay? I'm so sorry to lose Sunetra from the local scene, but I guess you can come once in a way and put on a stage show here. You can practice in Arizona, bring them here. It's not a very long journey. It's like coming from Vegas, right? Not that far. 1 hour flying time. So I don't want to accept the fact that you have left the area. You're still in Southern California, right next to it, and we'd love to see you back, because I don't think there's enough of a population where you're going to, where you could stage or train people for shows. Could you?
I don't know.
Maybe you create people, I don't know. I mean, you're a creator, you can create from anybody. Maybe you can get American people to perform single drama. You know, there's nothing you cannot do. I know some Montessori teachers on the west side of this town who had a great show, all single songs and dances, all by American kids. I witnessed it once. So it can be done, So anyway, sorry to lose you from the local scene, but it's your own life and you have to do what most beneficial for you and your husband. We really appreciate you, what you have done so far to the community and to our culture, and of course coming from your father. When I was going to school, he was practicing the first Manami. And I could still remember, I went to the amphitheater down there at Perodini campus, the little round, small one. But he used to practice there, and I used to be among the students watching it. And from that time, we did an 8mm, those days 8mm movie of Maname in Colombo at Havelock Hall. And from that time, what a big change. He started that, and it became a revolution in Sri Lanka. There came Singapore, there came every other theatre, similar lines, and he created history. Nobody can come anywhere close to him, and you are the progeny. You are the first in the family to get back there and do what your father did. So it is a great honor for us to have you here in our community, all the way here in America. So I think we were blessed to have you, and we were very blessed to have your dad in Sri Lanka, and that's all I have to say. I'm blessed to know both your dad and you. Thank you very much.